let's check out the new DT Ultra 4 Pro and see if it's any good. So the smartwatch not only gets top of the line specs, but also even internal storage where we can store music as well, and also top of the line build quality as well. So inside the box, first we actually get quite hefty manual here. Okay. And also with this watch we also get two straps, so one black and also one orange, which actually looks absolutely awesome. Then also our magnetic charger. By the way, I have already used this watch for some time. I just tried to repackage everything back as it was. By the way, also DT actually sent me over this watch, and they actually have extra special promo basically on this watch at the moment. Basically, if you follow the special discount links in the description, also it will come with this like special rugged case for it as well. So it actually looks like very bling bling essentially. Also, I will also include extra 30% discount coupon code that you can use to bring the price down for further on this watch. So with the coupon, basically, if you follow special discount links, it currently costs only $35, and that again also comes with premium subscription for the basically Wear Pro, and also this extra bling bling setup essentially for it as well. And when it comes to build quality, this thing feels absolutely awesome. So it's essentially built like a tank. And to be honest, if we compare this watch versus obviously you know which watch this watch is taking inspiration from, then the build quality obviously feels pretty much similar. So this really is one of the best basically DT watch you can get when it comes to build quality. So we have full metal body, full metal scroll wheel, metal button here. Again, everything is top of the line here. And also when it comes to finish, as you see, it looks absolutely awesome here. And to fit the strap on it, it's very easy. So you simply slide this inside. As you see, you have this like metal knob here, which essentially attaches inside. So we slide it inside and essentially clicks inside. If you want to release it, as you see, you have these buttons that you have to press inside, and then we will be able to like pull it out. So again, other one, let's put it inside. Again, so this properly actually locks in, unlike on other watches. And this is what it looks like on my wrist. As you see, it definitely looks very high-end indeed. Also the size is absolutely awesome on it as well. So when it comes to style, I think this looks absolutely awesome. And also we have raise wrist awake function as well on this watch. And also the strap quality on this watch also is very decent. As you see, we have nice proper metal buckles here. And if you compare this Ultra watch versus maybe other cheaper Ultra watches in the market, then actually the strap is definitely one of the best basically out there. So also it's very pleasant to the touch. So overall quality of this watch actually is actually very impressive for the price it costs. And also we have decent waterproof rating as well on this watch essentially. And speaker microphone as well. So also if you use a scroll wheel here, as you see, you can like change the watch face easily. Also the watch face selection also is actually very decent on this watch. By the way, you can also lock out this function, so you can set basically a permanent watch face. So if you use a scroll wheel, it actually won't change, which is very good. But let's see what kind of watch face we have. For example, I think these actually look very good. Also even video watch face as well. And as you see, also the AMOLED display on this watch for its price. I think it's mega impressive indeed. So looks absolutely awesome indeed. This one's actually pretty cool. So you see, if I press and hold, basically I can also lock basically this watch face. So basically if you scroll the scroll wheel, it actually won't do anything as well. And this is what it looks like with the orange strap. By the way, in real life the orange strap is more vibrant. My camera actually has some problems picking up this color, but this one also looks very decent indeed. You see, when it comes to quality, also top notch. And then also let's check out this case that comes with it as well. So again, you can get this if you follow special discount links. So they currently are running basically special offer. So if you purchase this watch, you also receive this. So essentially we simply drop our watch inside. So it's a bit tricky since it's kind of tight fit. So you see, put inside, and then inside the box you will receive a screwdriver. You see all the screws needed as well. So we can take this backplate over here and simply put it on, and then basically you see you have 1, 2, so basically screws here that you can use to screw it down, and then essentially it looks like this. So absolute monster. I mean, the size is absolutely huge with this case, but yeah, I think it looks absolutely crazy insane. I have fairly small wrists, so for me probably it looks absolutely ridiculous. But yeah, if you have large wrists, I think this looks absolutely insanely cool. And of course all the buttons work as normally when you are putting it in this case. Okay, and let's check out everything we get on this watch. First, if I swipe down, I can get access to my notifications, maybe like WhatsApp, email notifications, or whatever you might have. If I swipe up, I can get access to these quick things that I can quickly check. For example, I can quickly check out my weather here. I see just how insanely nice the system actually looks like on this watch. And you can definitely see where they have actually taken their inspiration from when actually designing this watch. Also, basically the activity stuff you have done, step count. So yeah, overall the system actually looks very impressive. Okay, also we can track sleep here as well. Also compass. So yep, even compass on this watch. And also, yeah, I think I also recently launched apps here, and also we can launch all apps here as well. If you also press this, as you see, you can also launch all the apps on this watch. So you see how nice it looks like. By default, we get this grid view. So also the system overall is very smooth indeed on this watch indeed. Okay, then if I swipe from the left or right side, I can basically get access to basically these various styles. For example, again, the quick access to history, also the heart rate date here, probably resting heart rate. So yeah, obviously not wearing it. And also weather. Also, yep, we can also play music as well on this watch. And also, what's absolutely awesome, we get internal storage as well on this watch. So if you want to transfer some music to it, we can simply basically use this USB adapter, connect maybe to a PC or phone. We can simply pop it on basically, and you see you have those 4 connection pins, and then you can basically connect to a PC and you'll be able to upload music to it. And also when it comes to speaker quality, also I was actually very surprised at just how decent the speaker is on it as well. And we can obviously add more of these pages over here, for example, the blood oxygen measurement, assistant, and also we can even like add this phone call function as well. So essentially, as you see, you can quickly tap your contacts or simply like dial a number here directly and call someone as well. So yep, we even get like very decent microphone as well on this watch. Absolutely awesome. And if I press this side button over here, I can also quickly launch some settings. Also, I can easily pair like Bluetooth earphones as well to this watch. So you see, yeah, I can pair them. And then I can essentially listen to the internal music I have on this watch on my earphones. So yeah, how cool is that? And also I can quickly launch the settings here. So you see what, for example, we have here. Also, by the way, we have this always on display here as well. So if we go in the idle clock, you see you can select basically always on display as well. So let's set it. Obviously, it will drain quite a lot of battery if you actually enable this function here. And this is what the always on display looks like. And if I press this side button over here, I can also launch my exercise here. When it comes to the amount, as you see, there's actually quite decent amount. So we have different categories basically that we can choose from. When it comes to the total amount, I really have no idea. Probably well over 100. You see, for all the martial arts, for example. Let me show you what it looks like. Obviously, this watch unfortunately doesn't have internal GPS, so you will have to have your phone in range, obviously, to basically track where you have been. But yeah, you see, you can also even control music as well from here, and also end it as well. Okay, and let's check out all the apps. Other ones we even have some App Store here. So in the App Store, we get WhatsApp here, also Google Maps. So I'm downloading currently it. Also Translate. So you see how advanced this watch is. So let's wait for the maps to download. Okay, let's check out the maps. When it comes to map loading times, they're actually a bit slow. So you see, we can basically see what's around us. But again, the system is a bit slow. But still at this price, I'm actually not complaining. It's actually absolutely awesome. We literally have maps on this watch here. So for example, I can quickly tap here and also even search for some things around me. For example, maybe some food places. But obviously you have to have your phone in range to be able to use the search function. So you see basically it opens up my nearby restaurants here, I guess. So yeah, how cool is this? We literally even have maps on this watch. Okay, let's check out other stuff. Also, we have a bunch of breathing exercise, if you care about that stuff. So yeah, basically exercise, we already covered that. Settings. Also, we have the drain function. So obviously, after you go swimming, make sure to go over here and it plays a sound, and you also have to shake your watch like this. So make sure to obviously remember to do it. So also like a timer here. Let's see just how nice the system looks like. So we can either select basically from the presets or yeah, set our own. Also, timer is able to run in the background, I think as well. Yep. So yeah, absolutely cool. Calendar here, stopwatch. Okay. We have different designs for stopwatch as well. And yeah, I think the biggest upgrade of this watch versus the previous one, basically, I think is a much better system. Also, I have seen basically the previous watch, and yeah, this is actually like insanely huge upgrade. Also, another huge upgrade of this watch versus the previous version is also slightly increased battery life as well. So also battery life on this bad boy is actually very impressive. So also we can see basically some photos. We can again simply connect basically this using this lead, and then you will be able to download, like upload basically any photos, any music, and also I think even videos as well. So we have sleep tracking here. So you see what we have. The heart rate. Also, let's quickly compare the heart rate measurement versus my oximeter. So you see this value over here, the green one, is the heart rate. So wake up. So you see 96, 97, 99. You see it pretty much climbs exactly the same. So you see 99, 99. It drops down a bit lower when I relax, and also this drops down. So yeah, also appears the heart rate sensor is actually, like, for this price, probably decent enough as well. Also, let's compare the blood oxygen. So you see 95 I have. It takes like 13 seconds to like fetch it. So again, simply keep maybe still. So you see 95 this says. Let's see. Okay, 96. Okay, so let's see. Pretty much spot on. Maybe like one or two. That's nothing really. Let's see. pretty much like spot on. Also, we can remotely control our phone camera as well. Calculator here, compass, find my phone, I guess. So yeah, see, my phone essentially rings. Also, I can even like upload some videos as well on this watch. So I haven't added also a flashlight, which essentially illuminates the screen. And yeah, also the screen brightness is actually very good. And also we even have NFC. But again, this is not for payments. This is only some kind of access card as well. So, and also we have voice stand here as well. These, I think these are okay. So simply like place where you have notifications from those apps. Those aren't full apps. Decibel meter, wallet. So if you are in China, obviously you can use these payment systems here, but obviously, such as Google Pay, we obviously do not get that stuff. Contacts, even bunch games here. So like a Flappy Bird. It's actually much easier version than the Flappy Bird original one. So yeah, as you see, overall the system I think is absolutely amazing on this watch indeed. And also let's check out the phone app here as well. So you can see your health stats, so the step count for the day, week and months. Also we can see the exercise records, weight, sleep, heart rate, oxygen. You can also like even like it appears you even have some training plans as well on this app. Okay, and also we have basically this device management where you can see the battery level and basically download more watch face here. Let's see what you can do. You can set up the wallet here. It appears we can even like transfer image from this. Yeah, so it looks like we can even transfer image over from the app as well, so wirelessly as well. Absolutely awesome. And also like continuous heart rate tracking as well if you need that. And overall, is the new DT Watch Ultra 4 Pro actually worth it, and should you maybe get this watch? Well, I can highly suggest this watch, because not only we get absolutely amazing display, the build quality is really top notch, so it's all metal build quality obviously. So for this price, to get this build quality and also very decent straps, I think that's absolute bargain. Also, obviously, we have internal storage. On no other watch at this price we get internal storage. Also, we literally even have maps as well. And also, overall, the system is also very nice indeed on this watch. So it's very smooth, very fluid. And yeah, also the watch face selection also is actually very decent on this watch. For this price, I think it's absolutely insane. And again, if you want to get it even cheaper, simply check out the special discount links in the description. So what you have to do is simply click that discount link and also enter the coupon code in the description I'll leave. So this will take extra 30% off purchase price. So again, you're getting this for $35 only, and then already you are getting extra, basically this like totally bling case for it as well. I see on the DT website this alone costs like $20. So yeah, if you also are looking to get one of these, yeah, so I think this is absolutely awesome deal. Anyway, good luck.